He's like moving really slowly. Hello. Yeah, I'm definitely filming it. It is like so huge. And it's got like a weird face, yeah. And it's got these wings that look like they're made of wire, like a bunch of wire hangers put together. It's really weird. Maybe it's an alien. Hi, alien. Oh, that'd be awesome. Yeah, too bad like the people who watch this won't be able to hear you talking. They're just gonna think I'm talking to myself. Or they're gonna think it's like the bug talking. Because I'm just filming the bug.